In this Cypress video, we are going to see how to group the tests and how to run the group of automation test suite. So it is very easy, guys. So this is the example here. So simply we have to use the npx command followed by that Cypress run hyphen browser, and then we have to add the browser name hyphen spec, and followed by that we have to provide the location of the any folder. So in this example, we have created a one folder called smoke tests, and followed by that, so we have the a number of .cy.js files. So here what I will do is simply I will go to the VS Code, and here I'm creating one folder called smoke test. So in the real-time applications, we might be creating a number of folders based on the models or based on the testing types. So it can be the smoke testing, sanity testing, or it can be the regression testing. So here I'm creating a one folder under the E2E folder called smoke test. So we have provided a folder name as smoke tests, and inside this I'm adding the two.cy.js files. So simply I will copy the Cypress selectors test.cy.js file, and I will add it inside the smoke tests folder. And in the similar way, I will copy the another .cy.js file, and I will add it inside the smoke tests folder. So here I will paste it. So here I will rename the file name as, so here I will add the file name as module1 test dot, so here I'll say tests.cy.js. In the similar way, I will update the another file which is there inside the smoke tests folder. So here I will give the file name as module2 tests.cy.js file. Sorry guys. So here I'll say module2. So let me modify the another file name also here. So here I'll say module1. So that's it, guys. So currently we have created a one folder called smoke tests. Under that we have the two suite files. So let me modify the suite name also and test name also. So here I'll say module1 suite, and here I'll say module1 test. So that's it, guys. Now I will go back to the another .cy.js file, and here I will add the module2, and the same name I will copy it and I'll paste it for the test name also. Here I will add the test name as module2 test. So that's it, guys. So we are done with creating the one simple folder, and we are able to add the two spec files and which has the two tests. Now I will go back to the command prompt. So simply you can open the command prompt and you can do the cd command till this particular folder. So that means where your Cypress project is present. So here we will be executing this simple command here. So I will start with npx and followed by that Cypress run hyphen browser. So we have to provide the browser name. Then here I'll say hyphen spec, and in the double quotes we have to specify the this particular folder name. So simply I will right click on this particular folder and I will click on the copy relative path. That's it. Add the relative path. Followed by that, we need to add the star here. So here I'm adding a star. So this is kind of regular expression to match all the files inside that particular folder or the particular directory. So right now we have the two files. It will pick all these two files for the test case execution. So we have written the simple expression here. So we have added the star So star indicates that any file name which has the extension of .cy.js. So that's it, guys. So simply hit the enter now. So our test run started. So it will take some time, guys. So meanwhile, let's explore this particular table. So currently I'm using the Cypress 13.2.0 version, and currently our tests are getting executed in the Chrome version 117. So that's in the headless mode. Our automation tests are getting executed, and currently I'm using the Node version 18.17.1 and spec file. So currently it is able to identify the two files under the smoke tests folder. So first one is model1 tests.cy.js file, and second one is model2 tests.cy.js file. So this is a complete path where exactly our spec files are present. So it will take some time. So currently it is executing the one of two. So first suit is getting executed. That's a model1 tests.cy.js file. Suit is getting executed right now. So it will take some time because automation test is related to the UI. So it will take a couple of seconds, guys. So let's wait for some more time, and then it will print all the results. And if you look at here, so it has executed all the automation tests. Let me scroll up here. So this is a model 1 suit, and this is a model 2 suit. And inside the model 1, so we have only one test, and that is getting passed. And it took total 43 seconds to execute the automation test. And if I come to the model 2 suit, so it has only one test, and that is getting passed. And this took the total 18 seconds to execute the automation test. And if I scroll down here, so all the spec files are listed here, and with respect to each spec file, so you can see how many tests are there and whether it is getting passed or failed. You can see here in this particular table. So we have only two spec file and two tests, and these two tests are getting passed here. So this is how you can group the test cases based on the module, based on the testing type, and you can start trigger the test case execution based on the demand or based on the need in the Cypress automation testing.